Win the trading day. We've talked about this with you guys, but I want to talk to the community about this as well. If you want to be consistent, you need a routine. If you want to be consistent, you need to follow that routine. I did a video with Kurt, which we called Win the Trading Day, and perhaps we'll insert it into this video again, and you guys can watch it. I got a little fired up about it, but I actually got a terrific response from the trading community, unexpectedly. It really resonated with a lot of people, and so we'll go over it one more time, which is, you know, you say I was frustrated because I traded Lily. I don't want you to judge your trading day because of your P&L. I want you to think about, here's my routine for the trading day, and my routine allows me to improve. So I can do a great job preparing for the day with my stock selection, or you guys may trade a different product. Maybe it's a currencies. Maybe you have a process for picking the certain pairs to trade. I want you to win that preparation. I want you to say to yourself, I did a great job preparing for the day. I want you to win when we come in here at 11 o'clock. I want you to win being present and active and learning and being a sponge for all the lessons that we can teach. I want you to win this lecture right now by getting as much as you can out of it. I want you to win starting to actually do your trading journal and writing down lessons for you to get better. I want you to win doing a playbook trade of a trade that makes the most sense to you. I want you to win talking to guys or each other and sharing anecdotes about trades you guys have made and learning from each other. I want you to win going to Spencer's AM meeting and understanding how he picks stocks and develops levels. I want you to win all of the parts of your trading process. And if you do that, I want you to win going to the gym and having a really good workout. I went to go swim in the middle of the day and I had a great swim. Okay, I won my swim. Okay, I crushed it. I'm winning today in terms of I had a good breakfast, had a really good lunch, and I'm going to have a really good dinner, and I'm going to win my health game. I'm going to win going to sleep at a good hour, assuming my kids don't wake up in the middle of the night. Okay, and I'm going to come in refreshed, so I make really good decisions. Okay, I'm going to win interacting with the trading community by emailing them and exchanging ideas with them. You know, I'm going to win doing some back testing for an idea that I came up with today, so I'm getting a little bit better in that. I'm going to win doing some work on filtering so that my best setups I don't miss. You know, you want to think of it that way. If you win all of those opportunities, you're going to have great days, and your P&L is you're not going to walk away. You're not going to walk away saying I had a bad day. You're going to walk away saying I had a great day, and you're going to be focusing on the things that truly matter in the long run as to how good of a trader you can be. So how can I make more? So as we were talking about before, too many traders are not hard enough on themselves when they have good days. If you made 3,000, you need to be really hard on yourself. How could you have made 10,000? All right, if you've made $500 and you're at that level, how could you have made $1,500? And that doesn't mean just sitting there carping about how you should have made more. It means that you get your hands dirty and you look through your charts and you watch your film and you figure out where you could have added size that makes sense to you. Don't just say, oh, if I would have got short 5,000 more shares of this OPHT, I would have made $1,000 more. No. Look at the chart, look at the film, look at your playbook that you've created and say, look, I've got, on page 56, I've got this trade. And I didn't deploy this trade in OPHT, and it was working, and I saw it was working, and I felt good about it, and I need to size up or add another couple of tiers with this type of setup. And if I would have done that, I would have captured more out of this trade. And so one of the things that I love about this particular setup is I love a stock that has a news catalyst. I love a stock that shows me a really clear support level that I really can't go through on the negative side. I love a stock that's trading below VWAP. And there was an opportunity when that got below 85 cents where I need to think about, am I as big as I should be? If you are a basketball player and you shoot 18-foot jump shots really well, okay, and you are past the ball at 18 feet and you are open, you shoot the ball, okay? That to me is a wide open 18-foot jump shot. I'm actually, if you give me the ball at 18 feet, I'm going to make that shot, okay? So that to me is an open 18-foot jump shot. And so I can't just make that trade. I need to think about how much, I can't just make that trade and be like, oh, I made $400. I need to be thinking about how much can I really realistically take out of that trade for my trading system. And I have to take it out. I have to take that money out. And I can't be satisfied leaving money on the table on a trade like that. When you see one of your A+ setups, when it fits your personality, you cannot be satisfied with not enough. Because there's gonna be times when you take a hit in Eli Lilly. There's gonna be times when you don't see screens well. And you've got to mix into your P&L the opportunities which you're crushing with those times when you're just not going to see the markets well. That happens. And if you take out $5,000 in a trade like that and you have a bad day when you lose $2,000 in Eli Lilly, it's going to help you to be a little bit more rational about how you are as a trader. You're going to be profitable. You're going to be able to see that trade wasn't really that good of an idea, and you can move on. But if you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table with that Eli Lilly debacle is going to mean a lot more to you, right? Forget it. Forget the Eli Lilly idea. Forget it. I want to make more on this. So resources from SMBU on taking more out of your best setups. If you type in the titles for these posts, you can go ahead and read them. They're at smbu.com/blog. A trick to trade bigger. Trading bigger is much easier than trading with edge. A lesson in trading bigger. Trading bigger in GMCR. Welcome to The Winning Trader. The number one factor in whether you trade profitably is what? It's whether you are trading setups that have trading edge. We recently surveyed our trading community as to what would help them the most. The response was overwhelmingly universal. You were most interested in learning trading strategies that you could implement profitably. Or said another way, to solve the problem faced by most traders of lacking setups with trading edge. So with that, here at SMBU, today we introduce The Winning Trader. You will learn 10 trading strategies taught to and traded daily on our professional proprietary trading desk in New York City. Here are the 4 steps to how SMB will teach you these strategies. 1, we will hold an online live trading class sharing each setup weekly. 2, for the following week, you will archive a playbook trade that we teach you how to do of this setup daily. 3, during our daily mentoring sessions, to which you will have complete access, we will review these setups from that day's trading. 4, you will have complete access to all of our trading tools that will help you spot these setups during market trading and follow along with us trading them in real time. Take the first step towards becoming a winning trader. Enter your email here to learn more about The Winning Trader.